check it out. Oh my god. We got Big Doll's TV right here, you know what I'm saying? Little Doll's TV.
I mean, I got the Curious George fruit snacks right there for the gas.
Ooh, let me get one of those.
Yeah, take that.
What's up, girl? You fine. We're about to go to Walmart. We're getting some fucking plasti dip for the wheels. He wants to black out all of his stuff, so that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully. Okay, she's got a little pep to her. So yeah, he ordered some intakes for this, so we're gonna do that in another video whenever the fuck they decide to come in. And we're just gonna make this car blacked out. There's hella people at Walmart. Ew.
Hey, watch it, buddy.
You wanna die, buddy? Jesus Christ. I was gonna say, he went in the tightest hole that you could find. Oh shit. What'd you forget? Get the jewel, bro.
Tiptoeing in my Jordans. Kinda came down, tiptoeing in my Jordans.
I think I got something in my shoe.
Oh, it's my lucky day. That's good. Alrighty, let's see. Plasti dip, where you at? This is racist. They only have white plasti dips here. High endurance paint, sir. What it looks like now, we gotta go. Wow, dude, this is crazy. So like, I'm using my G7X now. I don't know if it was right there. I'm using my G7X now, and I've been using the Sony for a while because I couldn't find anything to charge it. But we'll be back in business. I can actually see what I'm recording now, you feel me? Are you my dad? Who? Are you my dad?
Yeah.
Dad?
How you doing?
How you doing, Dad?
Got any money?
I got any money? I got $10,000 in the car.
Oh my god.
Gotcha. Check out that fucking Wang, bro. That shit's hard. Oh my god. Alright, we're at fucking AutoZone. We're gonna get us some plasti dip. So they actually got it. So we just need this, one of these, and then another one of these. Alright, bro. I'll shove one in my pants. You shove in your pants. And we'll just be like we're brothers. Let's do it. That's crazy. Try to look at the lens and then flip it. Ooh. Ooh, check it out. Check it out, baby. Freeze. Oh. Jewel toss. Jewel toss it to me. Big clouds. Dude, I almost dropped.
I don't know what.
We missed out on these super sick clouds. All right, so it's a week later and we're not doing, I'm not 100% sure what we're doing. We're gonna get the intakes. We got intakes for Glen, you feel me? So we're gonna try to get those on and see, depending on what the time is, we might do his wheels. But hopefully, I mean, it's gonna be nice this week, so you know. Oh yeah. Won't be too long. Oh my God, that's all we need. 15 bucks, 15 bucks. Yeah, we're ready for checking out.
Yes, ma'am.
Just don't check us out, okay? So, all right, time to get the CROSSFIRE, the Intakes. Let me in, let me in, let me in. So we're down here at Troy's house. We're gonna work. Hey, are you coming out the back? Hey, babe. Hey, how you doing? Oh, look at this Audi. This thing's nice right here too.
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, baby? Sorry.
Listen, brother, I'm Glen.
We're in the engine. We're in the engine bay. We're gonna take. This is weird. Like the intake actually is like. Ooh, ooh. We got the Audi started. So we got the. Oh wait, that's dope.
I wonder where they're gonna sit. I wonder you might take that bumper off.
I hope not.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
We might have to do some custom
they
fab.
might sit. Hopefully
Yeah.
they sit like right here. Yeah, that's true.
Oh wait, no, look. So we got this. All right, so this whole thing is the intake. It goes on here. So all we weight reduction. These are weight reduction. So all you gotta do is put the couplers on, put these on, and then the intakes. Then we're Gucci. Wait, send it. I can't hear it. Do it again. Dude, I just got a big ass load in my pants, bro. Whoa.
Call it Port Bubba Sparks. Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere. Booty, 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 rockin' everywhere.
Always gotta get Chief the Pig in the videos because he's a freaking boss. But we're gonna go get these intakes on and then see how it sounds. Ugh. You excited, bro? You're gonna have some like...
Tits are fucking hard.
Say your tits are hard?
Pistols, reaming my body, clothing no issue. Bitch, you look sick, you need a tissue. You drop a body, I just might bless you. I'm metrosexual, no high cholesterol. What?
So we got you know what I'm saying? We're gonna redo this because, you know, me being me, I just like throw shit on.
He just sends it.
I just send it. But he was like, you know what, I'll just make it look better. Just flip it on the other side. So we're gonna flip it over, put it on, he's gonna start it up, and we're gonna hear this puppy roar, baby.
Aesthetically pleasing.
We're gonna, oh, whoa. Aesthetic. That's what we do around here. Practice doesn't make perfect. Perfect makes perfect.
Perfect makes perfect.
Perfect makes I'm gonna get a t-shirt like that. Perfect makes perfect. You know, I think we're Gucci. All right, start her up.
That's pretty tight, actually.
Start her up, baby. Rev it up a couple times.
Back up a little bit.
Yeah.
Got the dual intake, Sam.
Dual intakes, baby.
Put them on.
All right, rev it up. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You hear it? You hear the suction? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this was probably the easiest intake install ever. So if you guys watch this video, there's really not much to explain. You take the thing off, take the little charge pipe thingies off, and then you put the intakes on. And now you got a nicer looking engine bay with a little bit more grumble, you know?
I'm sure when you drive it, you'll hear them sucking.
Yeah.
You gotta take it for a rip down the road.
Yeah.
You'll probably hear them suck a little bit.
Sucking in
Sucking
in a good air. So like now that we got the intakes on, we're gonna take her for a little rip down the street and see if we can hear this puppy roar. And then give it some gas and then just floor it, let go. Yeah, baby.
I didn't feel that one.
It feels a little...
Yeah, a little more torquey.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Not bad, not bad. Yeah. Let's see what it got, bro. What, valve springs?
Nah, when you put on it, you change your gauge.
Oh, purge valve? Alright, baby. Make... Ah, that bitch lifted. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Go to 100, baby. Yeah. 0 to 100 real quick. But so we're pretty much gonna end the video here. We got the intakes on. I think maybe one day this week we're gonna go do his wheels because it's supposed to be nice all week. Maybe probably like Tuesday. Probably Tuesday. We're gonna do Tuesday, get the wheels done, and then we're gonna get some pics of the freaking whip. Icy ass pics. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe for more car content. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for the merch if you guys want to rep some merch. Rep the channel and help support the channel. Also, Cash App right here. But comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Please.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know